Welcome to the new segment of the grade 10th. We are discussing economics, third chapter, um, money and credit. So today we'll discuss two questions. That is, let's work these out. Yes. Here they are given two questions. How does the use of money make it easier to exchange things? So this is a question. The answer, we can write that um, the money makes easier for the person, that is the holding money, as he or she can easily exchange for goods and services he or she is require. And money is a common medium of exchange in the economy. And next point, you can write like this: goods and services required by different individual are available by exchange of money. Next point, you can write uh, in the earlier days, uh, uh, in the earlier days, the exchange of the goods was difficult because of these which one because of barter system. Yes, under this system, one person needs that example you can write here. The one person needs wheat, and the other person needs a pair of shoes. Then these two persons have to connect a contact to each other of exchanging wheat and shoes, so that is a common fulfill their needs. So in next this is a 4 marks question. So however, it is becomes very difficult to have more than individuals with common requirement under uh, the old system. Money makes easier to exchange, communicate, common medium of exchange. So these all the points you can write. Next, another one question they given. That question is what is this question here? The question is, uh, can you think of some examples of goods, services being exchanged, or wages being paid through this barter system? Yes. So this is, they are asking about the example. Uh, so answer, we have to like this. Uh, uh, so can we think? Yes, we can think. Yes, the some examples we can give with the help of uh, goods uh, goods and services exchanged under the this old system. This is also is 4 marks question. 4 examples we can give. First one, a farmer, you can write some examples which is we can see in our surrounding. Yes. So a farmer can exchange uh, a part of his crop with the barber service for his family. Yes. And instead of the barber you can add some other persons also, no problem. And the second one, the same person, the barber, can exchange his service in a return of um, service provided by a cobbler. Yes. So we have to be think in a in ancient period, not a modernized time. Okay. So a pot maker can exchange his pot with the uh, crop who grown a crops for a farmer. Yes, pot with the farmer. And fourth point you can write, it is common practices where in a villages. Okay, still these days, uh, to give a labor a part of finished crop. Yes, they, instead of the giving a wages, they will give a crops which grains. Yes, so grains they are the exchanging as with the labor's wages. So these the 4 points you can write for the 4 marks. Now we will continue this another one sub topic, the modern forms of money. Okay, so modern form of money in a modernized period, when we taking the examples. So exchange of transaction, that is a main intermediate with the common people. In several years back, we can see the varieties of the objects they are made as money. Okay. So the earlier age Indians, we are used that is different types of metallic coins. Okay, so metallic coins, the earlier period they are the used. Those coins made with the metallics, gold, silver, copper coins. We have got so many examples as um, showing that they are the used um, with the help of these coins. Yes. So here some photos also is available. Earlier punch marked coin, that is maybe around 2500 years old. Yes. So and Gupta's coins, Tughlaq coin, and gold mohur from Akbar's, the great Mughal emperor. Yes, and modern coins, 1 rupee coin, we can see this. So currency, so currency in a modern period, in a contemporary time, we are having money, that is main important medium of exchanging of goods, services, is it? So these currency now made up with the paper as well as some steel coins as well as copper, not copper, bronze, one layer coins we can see. So uh, these things were used as money in now also, in earlier period also. So modern currency is now modern currency is not made of the precious metals, like which one nowadays we are the using as jewelries. Okay, so we are not using gold, silver and copper as a medium of a currency. Okay, so now in a modernized currency we are using with the paper as well as steel coins. Okay, so this is a main medium of exchange, because these currency, these notes and coins which we are the using for to buy or the sell goods and services, that one is authorized by a Indian government. Okay, it is, I'm talking about that is I am talking about of in my country. Yes, okay, in our country the government, in particular countries, they have their own authority of um, manufacturing of a currency. Okay, I am talking about our country. Okay, so it is having authorized, so authorized official and um, official things will be present uh, when they are then making this currency. It is very confidential, the thing they will make that currency with the in our country, that is Reserve Bank of India issues currency notes, yes, behalf of the central government of our country. And this as per the Indian law, no one other individuals or any kind of the organization is not allowed to issue the any kind of the currency. If they are the made also, it is illegal as well as punishable by a Indian law. So in our country, we are under the Reserve Bank of India. They are the manufacturing currency of our country. So with the help of this currency, we will make transactions, payment uh, in whole in our India. But this currency, it is in other country, you know that in other country they have their own currency. So if uh, illegal when the law illegals the use of the rupees as a medium of a payment that cannot be refused in a settling any transaction of in India. So no one will be refuse, that is authorized currency to take. Yes, some you can which is now not running, some notes are not used, they are changed now. Yes, so such things also will happens, they are the banned some notes which is now they are the changed, the colors changed, as well as some confidential changes they are the done in a preparing of uh, the currency note. And um, this the rupees or currency, which is a main important exchange of or the medium of exchange in our country. In whole world, the currency which related to their different countries, they have their own authorized money, notes and coins they had in stamped or punch marked things are available for in individual countries they have. So for the reference you can refer 10th grade textbook. Thank you.